Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Roadster, and I don't know if this is actually a fantasy casting or this is based off of some other Chevrolet or something like that. So okay, I bought it for 179. So I'm thinking that it is a fantasy, but it looked really nice. The paint job and the detailing on the chassis and everything. So I bought it. So let me just unbox it without any delay. So during my last week videos, one person in the comment was saying like, Hot Wheels actually get some kind of blister inside this blister, like, they do for Matchbox. I even commented back to that person stating that I have around 3000 cars, but I never saw anyone like it. Any one car with that blister, specifically on the main lines I'm talking about. I'm not talking about the premiums. Okay, here is the card art. Let me just put this away. So far I never saw that in mainline. So if anyone actually ever saw that in mainline like they did for Matchbox, put me, show me that in picture, with that, car sealed in the blister itself in the community section. I will like that as well, and even I want to see, to be very honest. Okay, so here is the casting itself. Honestly, this looks so beautiful, and okay, so minor paint. I mean, this is as usual, nothing to complain about, but the detailing is really nice on this one. It has headlight details here, which is good, and the chassis detailing looks really nice. So it has this track symbol here, I mean the loop symbol here, which means it will perform well on track. We are going to test that in a few minutes because a lot of castings which we bought with this logo never actually performed really well in the track compared to the ones which are not mentioned like that. Okay, so here you can see the exhaust detail. See, there is nothing much to talk about this casting, but it looks really nice. Even the rims, wheels go well with this particular casting, and it is a glittery dark blue, not too glittery, a little bit. Okay. So the body is fully metal, chassis is fully plastic, wheels are plastic, and let's weigh this casting. Okay, 31 grams, not bad. Okay, let's do a roll test now. Let me put this in position. Okay. Okay, it is not fast, but it rolls really good. I don't even see much of a wheel wobble. There is a little bit, but it is negligible considering that it rolls good. It is not fast as the older castings did, but it does perform well on track, so that's good. So let's rate this casting now. So given that it's a fantasy casting, we don't have anything to have a reference, but still let's give it a rating. So out of 10, I don't see any issue with this car, so I'm going with 10 by 10 because it has at least the headlight detailing. Chassis detailing is good, even though I think it is a fantasy car, and it does roll well. So we are not going to consider that as a big aspect, but still it rolls really good. Detailing aspect, they went, they did it really well. So 10 out of 10. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.